Here we'll be solving question on logarithm of number less than 1. Now this means numbers uh, from a number like 0 point anything, 0 0.00, 0 0.000, like that. Now I'm going to use example to teach us how we can find the logarithm of those kind of numbers. Here we are to use this example. It said use the logarithm table to find the value of 0.2745. Now the first thing you are going to be doing here, solution, is to convert this number to standard form. Now how do we go about that? Standard form, your point must be in front of the first digit. Now, which means wherever the point is placed, maybe you have 0.00 or 00, it must always be in front of the first digit. Now, you just have to count the number of times you moved before you get to the first digit. We only move once here. Since it's moving forward, it will be -1. Then the standard form for this value is 2.745 times 10 raised to power -1. Then after getting this, note that this is called the integer. Now what we are going to be using to look for our logarithm will be this number. Now you draw your line. Let's call this number log. Now you bring down this value 0.2745. That's the number. Now the first thing you write is the integer. This is -1. Here we call it bar 1 point. Now the point will be whatsoever value you get from the logarithm of 27 under 4 in difference of 5. Now let's check 27 under 4 difference of 5. Now we are going to be checking the logarithm table. This is 27 under 4. This is 4. We have 4378. 4378 in difference of 5. Go straight. Difference of 5 is what? Is 8. Now we have 4378 in difference of 5, 8. Now let's come to the board. We have 4378. Difference of 5 is what? Is 8. Now let's add it up. This will be 8 plus 8, 16. You carry your 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. This is 3. This is 4. Now this will be points because we are looking for those fractional parts. We are looking for the fractional part. Now the logarithm table displays the fractional part. Now you bring this down here. You have 4, 3, 8, 6. This is how you look for logarithm of numbers. Logarithm of numbers. Now in a case whereby, let me quickly use another example. In a case whereby you have 0.00275 and you are told to look for logarithm of this, what will you do? Now one of the most important thing I've told you, that is to make sure the number, the point is what is in front of the first digit when converting to standard form. The first thing you do is convert to standard form and you move this 1, 2, 3. Now how many times did you move? 3 times. Because it's moving forward, it will be -3. Then the standard form for this will be 2.745 times 10 raised to power -3. Now this is our what? This is our integer. Our integer. Now let's draw the table, the log. I use the previous number so that we will quickly resolve it. This is 0. This is 0.002745. Now the first thing you bring down is the integer, that is 3 bar -3 point. We are looking for the fractional part by checking the logarithm table for the value of 27 under 4 in difference of 5, which we already got here to be 0.4386. Now, you just put your 0.4, that will be 4386 here. That's how you look for logarithm of numbers less than 1.